Okay, let's come to a seat. Let's get centered and grounded into this new day. As always, maybe close your eyes and turn inward. This is the new moon time, so it's that inward focused time to check in with yourself as we reset for the next cycle ahead. I'll quickly read the power path, their insight on the energy of this time. They say this is a potentially volatile, intense, and unstable time designed to get you moving out of your comfort zone, pushing the envelope, and breaking through obstacles that have plagued your path forward for a time now. Take advantage of sudden change and uncertainty to birth a new cycle, a project that has been on the back burner, a new attitude, or a new practice you have been meaning to include in your life. We are still in a time of inner processing, refining what is important, and getting clarity from our hearts. Use your emotional intuition as a compass and use patience as an ally as you move into your next step. Others around you may be challenged as well, so stay in your own lane, but hold a compassionate space for people to go through what they need to. So seeing what might resonate with you at this Scorpio new moon. Pulling all of your energy back from the past, if it's back there replaying. Or if it's out there swirling in the future, just bring yourself here, connected with your body, grounding with gratitude for this body. Take some big belly cleansing breaths as you reset. And we'll go through the practice today with those intentions of maybe acknowledging sudden changes or big things that are happening around us or even in our own smaller lives, and using those changes for positive growth, change, breaking out of our maybe old cycles or comfort zones. Great, thanks for being here. So let's keep our roots grounded. Let's inhale, heart forward, and exhale around. So Scorpio is fixed water. Think of the power of water to help create change, how it carves through the earth, canyons, and creates new paths. Just loosening up. All right, reverse, let it all move. And then some seated cat stretches, just again, waking up the body and moving, releasing any stagnant or stuck spots. Great, and then arms to the sky. Let's take a deep breath and then just take a bow forward. Take a big breath into the back of your body and melt a little deeper. Great, then we'll come to our tabletop. Like waves through the body. Let's inhale, let that first wave rise up. And then let it go down your back as you press down and look down. A couple more, inhaling, rising up, exhaling down. Great, a little longer stance. Let's enjoy the freedom to move your hips. Let the tailbone sort of lead the way, waking up that water energy in our hips. Find some freedom, go in both directions. And then a bow straight back and down to the earth. Again, into this quiet time of this moon cycle where we get to reset. Scorpio has a lot of kind of death and rebirth energy of kind of things collapsing or releasing, so we can begin again and evolve and transform. All it's about growth. So deep breath here. Exhale a little deeper. Then back to your table, curl your toes and lift your hips to the sky, downward facing dog. Shake out your head, relax your neck.
This feels like a little bath of good circulation to your face and your jaw and your mind. Let's inhale to a nice strong plank. And exhale, press yourself back up. Do that 2 more times. Priming the energy of the body, getting strong. 1 more. Yep, so stay grounded in those hands. Let's inhale, right leg to the sky, look forward, bend the knee and sweep it through. Find your lunge. Maybe use your blocks on either side of your foot. It's up to you. Take a deep breath, looking up, front of the heart open. Exhale, take a bow, forward fold. 2 more, getting into all of these big muscle groups, hips and hamstrings, that knee moving. Quick release the block, step back, downward facing dog. Inhale to a nice strong plank. Let's go to the earth, knees, chest, chin down. Inhale, cobra, high or low, opening the front body. Exhale back, downward facing dog. Great, inhale, left leg to the sky, look forward, float it through. Anjaneyasana, and try to set it up. Relax your shoulders. With your next big exhale, straighten the front leg, bow towards it. Couple more. Sinking into the earth, into the root, and then bowing. Great, let's step forward this time. Uttanasana, standing forward fold. Feel equally grounded through both feet. Really anchor into the earth. Inhale, flat back, so nice and strong, long in the spine. Exhale, let go. Folding, tuck the head in at the bottom. And arise with the inhale. Lift your heart. Exhale, bring it into heart center. And then arms at your sides. Tadasana, mountain pose. Find your center, your roots, that elevating, lifting energy, inspiring. Again, inhaling, lifting, little back bend. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, balancing squat. Let's work with our focus here. Hands to heart or stay on the floor. And hands down, left leg back, low lunge this time. Knee and foot to the earth as we rise up. Engage the back leg glutes, sink a little deeper into our hips here as we lift a little more. Let that energy rise up and through you. Nice. Like a wave washing through. Arms go back, legs connect or meet up. Inhale. Again, pressing hips down or hips forward, really glutes are strong. To the earth, big exhale, child's pose. All the way down. Stay low as you slide through. Bhujangasana, cobra pose, lower body grounded. Great, and then press back through child's pose. To the sky, we rise. Left leg forward, arms float. Again, imagine just like a cleansing wave going through your space and back up. Let's hold this nice strong lunge. Back leg glutes are strong. Sink into it. Lift through the sides, lift the front of the heart. Great, big step forward. Ground into your squat. Skip it if you would like, forward fold. We're going there next, take a breath. Exhale, Uttanasana. And rise up. Great, bring it to your heart. Today, we're gonna go right into some balance poses and hips. So let's kind of bend into the knees here and the ankles. Let's try our standing figure four first. So lift the left knee. Actually, let's straighten up, lift the left knee and just work that big hip joint for a moment. Nice and circles, big circles, little circles.
And then keep the foot flexed, place it on the opposite leg, and let's find that sort of chair beneath us. You can always touch a wall. Yep, maybe hands on the hips or the heart. And just keep sinking into your seat here, freeing the hips, working with focus and balance. You can stay there or also bend so far that your hands are down, maybe 2 blocks or a block. You can tuck your head down if you're in that forward fold. Let's enjoy another big breath. Then press down to keep the balance if you can on the way up. Awesome. Let that go. Shake it out. All right, other side. So we'll work with moving from the hip first, a few nice rotations, finding your center as you do that, and then keep it externally rotated, flex the foot, take a little moment to settle into your seat. So you're bending deeply into the standing knee, the hip crease, the ankle, everything working together. Stay here or take your bow down and maybe hands to blocks or to the floor. Right, and then ground down to release out of it. Shake it out, shake it out. All right, let's do one more balance today. So this is the eagle, Garudasana. So kind of similar stance, but this time let's take left knee right on top of the right if you can. And then keep wrapping that foot or place it on a block or the floor, let it float wherever. Center those knees and then really root down. This is the perch of your eagle, Garudasana. Hands stay center if you want to, or take your wings wide and then left goes under. Connect your hands or the opposite shoulder. Just squeezing everything that touches. Find your focus. One of the symbols of Scorpio, more like elevated symbol, is an eagle. So think of just rising up above everything, like a rebirth. Come out of it when you're ready. We're symbolizing even like a phoenix rising. You know, sometimes things need to release to be transformed. Right, other side. Stack the right on top. And if you can, just keep propping that foot. Might feel different. Definitely feels different on this side for me. Take your seat in that perch of your eagle. However your upper body wants to be. Maybe you're working with more centered. Or wrap the right under. Connect. Garudasana. Keep your center, keep your breath. And really press down to open it up whenever you feel complete with that. Again, just let it release. And then since we're here, let's take a nice wide stance. Outer edges of your feet ground. Hands can stay on your hips or out wide. Let's take a deep breath, get tall. Exhale, take a slow forward fold. Out and down, hands underneath your shoulders. Release your head. Ground those feet a little more. Tuck your chin towards your chest. Then just take a little walk towards your right foot, bend that right knee, and keep the other foot grounded. It feels really nice to get into those inner hips, hamstrings. Great. Shifting through center, other side. So just bend the left knee, keep that right foot grounded, tailbone grounds. Great.
And center, and then hands forward as far as you can, and just really lengthen the sides through the back a little bit more. Great. And then let's pivot to the top again into a nice long lunge, looking up. Take a deep breath. Exhale back, downward facing dog. Let's inhale to our plank again. Exhale, knees, chest, chin, lower to the earth. Inhale, one more. Nice cobra pose, opening. And let's take it back to the child's pose. So walking back, arms extended or wrapped around your body. Take a few big breaths just to begin bringing the energy back to you. Great. Then rise up slowly, sitting on your heels or in between them. Heroes, Virasana, take a moment here. Modify if you need to for your knees. Just reset, ground your tailbone, find the strength of your back to keep the heart open. Great. Shifting to one hip. Let's free your legs. Great. Inhale to the sky with those arms right by your ears. Exhale, take a slow forward fold out. Little bend in your knees. Hands come down. Keep your heart extending out. Keep folding. And then a full surrender to Paschimottanasana. Take a big breath down the back of your body. One more really nice big breath into your back and melt just a little bit deeper. Roll up slowly. Shift to the center. Let's work with Navasana. Let's prime up our core energy on the way down. So 5 deep breaths wherever you are, either bent knees or straightened. Ground a little deeper. Lift a little more up through your heart into your mind. It's probably about 5 breaths. Great. Feet come down. Let's roll down your back. Hug your knees in. Just soften into the back body. Inhale, shins away. Exhale, one more big hug in. Lower your left leg down. Keep your right knee hugged in. Next, exhale, curl. Head up towards your right knee. Lower your head. Right arm wide. Gentle twist across. Bent knee or straighten out through that heel. See what else you can wring out or whatever's ready to clear through your body. Breathe into it. And unwind. Reset. Switch legs. Full breath in. Exhale, curl. Head rises. Lower. Left arm wide. Gently twist across. Again, bent knee or straighten it out. Great. Unwind slowly. Hug the knee. Both knees come in. One more little ball. Apanasana. Head towards your knees. Super grounding. And then we'll stretch it out. Either Shavasana on your back, or if you're feeling like elevating your legs, you can move to a wall or stay here if you want a little more inversion, kind of clearing, shifting energy. So your choice. Both are restoring. So choose your own final pose. I'm going to stay seated and guide you through a little relaxation. So it's all
wherever you are, release all effort in your face, in your jaw, and close your eyes and go inward. Soften that thinking mind that can be overwhelmed. And drop into your heart. Soften the space around it. Seeking clarity, aligning with intuition and your truth. As we just let the whole body rest. And this new moon time, allowing what's changing or shifting or releasing to just go. Let it go. Leaving space for the new intentions, visions, dreams, wishes for ourselves and for humanity, for the world. What we do matters. So start with yourself, your light, your gifts, your talents, your visions. Just rest with that for a moment. A few more really intentional cleansing breaths. Maybe even exhale with an audible sigh, just clearing out. With the inhale, fill yourself back in with you, your light, and energy you'd like to welcome into this new day and this new cycle. Maybe a new attitude, a new feeling that you carry with you. Gratitude, compassion, love, freedom, trust. Soak it up. Wake up gently. You can give yourself maybe a nice big stretch. Arms and hands reach out, and maybe a little movement. Noticing how even just a short practice can help you, benefit you. We'll rise up to a seat to close our practice. So thank yourself for taking this time to reset. May the benefits of this practice float beyond us in ripples of peace, love, and healing out into the world. I honor the light in each of you. Thank you so much for being here. Namaste.